Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about tofu, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you for using tofu. So if you're new to using it, hopefully these ideas will help you out. This list is very long, and this is part one in a three-part series. So I will have the links to the other videos in this series in the description box below. So be sure that you check them all out so that you can get the entire list. Tofu can be eaten cooked or uncooked, hot or cold. It can be baked, fried, sauteed, air fried, scrambled, stir fried, marinated, blended into dips, sauces, and smoothies, and used in just about any way imaginable. Now, you may need to buy different types of tofu for those different applications, but nevertheless, tofu is very versatile. Since tofu has a bland flavor, it can easily be included in many recipes for added texture and nutrition without imparting a big change in the flavor of the dish. That's a bonus. The shelf life of an unopened container of tofu can last for months, so it's a good staple to have on hand in case of an emergency when there might be a food shortage. If you have more tofu than you can eat within a reasonable amount of time, try freezing it. Drain the liquid it came in and pat it dry. Slice the block into thin pieces and place it in an airtight container. Keep it in the freezer for up to 3 months. To thaw the frozen tofu, place it in the refrigerator overnight, and it should be ready to use the next day. Tofu can be used as a meatless option that can be swapped out for meat in a variety of recipes. Let your imagination be your guide. Recipes sometimes call for pressing tofu to remove excess water and achieve a heartier, denser texture that does not fall apart. To press tofu, remove it from the package and wrap it in a paper or cloth towel. Place the wrapped tofu between 2 plates and place something heavy on top. A pot or a bag of flour should work. Depending on the firmness you want, press the tofu anywhere from 20 minutes to several hours. It might be necessary to remove excess liquid from the bottom plate during the process. For those who do not want to do this procedure, commercial tofu presses are available online and possibly in your local Asian market. If you press your tofu, you can cut it into any shape you want: cubes, triangles, thin strips, thin slices, crumbles. Cut it with a cookie cutter or blend it into a sauce. These are just some of the options. Tofu is completely safe to eat raw. Whether pressed or marinated, you can use it raw in salads, smoothies, or enjoy it as a protein-rich snack. When using tofu in a stir fry, add it at the last minute to keep its shape and texture. Overcooking will soften your tofu. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for part 2 and then part 3 to these tips and ideas for using tofu. Take care. Bye for now.